Oh, I am so sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
I didn't see you.
It's fine. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Are you hurt?
No, I'm fine.
I feel really bad.
Please don't worry. It was an accident.
I was looking at my phone. That was careless.
It happens sometimes.
Still, it was my mistake.
We all make mistakes.
You dropped your books. Let me help.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
Here, this one too.
Thanks a lot.
I'm really embarrassed.
Don't be. I was walking fast too.
Really?
Yes, maybe I wasn't paying attention either.
So it was both of us?
Maybe a little.
That makes me feel better.
Good. No need to feel guilty.
Are you going somewhere important?
Yes, to the library.
Oh no, I hope I didn't make you late.
I still have time.
That's a relief.
What about you?
I was going home.
Long day?
Very long. I'm tired.
Same here.
I should be more careful.
Phones can distract us easily.
Yes, I was replying to a message.
Was it important?
Not really.
Then safety is more important.
You're right. I learned my lesson.
That's good.
Do you ever make silly mistakes?
All the time.
Really, you look very calm.
I try to look calm.
So, what was your last mistake?
Yesterday, I forgot my wallet at home.
Oh no,
Yes, and I was at the cafe.
that must be awkward.
Very awkward.
What did you do?
I called my friend for help.
Good friend.
Yes, I was lucky.
I think mistakes teach us something.
I agree.
Today, I learned to walk without using my phone.
That's a smart decision.
And maybe look up more often.
That helps too.
You are very understanding.
I try to be.
Some people would be angry.
Getting angry doesn't fix anything.
That's true.
It's better to stay calm.
You give good advice.
Thank you.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What do you study?
English literature.
Oh, really? I'm learning English too.
That's great.
I want to improve my speaking.
Practice daily. That helps a lot.
Sometimes I feel shy.
Confidence grows slowly.
That sounds wise.
Just my experience.
Maybe this accident was lucky.
Lucky? How?
I met someone kind.
That's nice of you to say.
I mean it.
I'm glad we met too.
See? A mistake can bring something good.
Exactly.
Life is strange sometimes.
In a good way.
Yes, in a good way.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 streets away.
That's close.
What about you?
I live near the park.
Oh, I like that park.
Me too. I go there to read.
I go there to relax.
Maybe we will meet again there.
Maybe we will.
Hopefully without crashing into each other.
Yes, please.
I'm Daniel, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
I'm glad you're not angry.
I'm glad you said sorry.
Saying sorry is important.
Yes, it shows respect.
Thank you for being so kind.
Thank you for being honest.
Friends?
Friends.
That was easy.
Sometimes good things are simple.
True.
So, Emma, will you walk carefully now?
Yes, I promise.
And maybe less phone time?
Definitely less phone time.
Good plan.
And you?
I will also walk slower.
Look at us, giving advice already.
That's what friends do.
I like that.
Me too.
I should go now.
Me too.
See you around, Daniel.
See you, Emma.
And thank you again.
Anytime. Stay safe.
You too.